Awo kwasinga.
The partnership we have with our new ambassador, Spice Diana Makula. Without wasting time, because we started late, I will invite Startimes Vice President, Mr. Agudde Mubintu Senior, to give us his remarks, tell us about this evening, what is happening for us, we don't know as media people. So Mr. Agudde Mubintu, you're most welcome, and the floor is yours.
Thank you, Isma. Good afternoon, everyone. You are all welcome to Startimes headquarters for a very important event. Why are we here? Some of you, if not all of you, have been following and you know about a Startimes channel called Makula. As we speak, the channel, which was launched last year, is the #1 channel on not just Startimes, but one of the top 3 among Signet or free-to-air TVs. The success of this channel has been so huge. Channel eyagaddwa abalabi aba buli kika, si wano wokka mu Kampala, naye eggwanga lyonna okulyetooloola. Olunaku olwaleero, emu ku nsonga ezituleese ye success ya channel eyo gye tuyise Makula, kubanga nate olwaleero ezadde omwana. Oyinza ogiyita muganda waayo oba omwana, kisinzira ku bw'okiraba. Today we are launching a new channel which is a sister to Makula. The channel is called Makula Chika. I think it's worth celebrating. It couldn't have been possible if it hadn't been for the success of Makula. But now we think it has given birth to a new audience and we need now to grow even stronger. The reason we're here, even more than that, is because for this channel to be a success, it wasn't by accident that we called it Makula Chika. Chika kitegeeza the concentration is stronger, it's more. Mu abafumba oba balya ku mmere, buli bw'oyongeramu ekirungo ng'ofumba, era oli bw'alya agamba naye mwataddemu kaki, mwogeddemu ki? Kiba kirungo. Ekirungo bwe kibanga kika, n'emmere evuddemu, enveevu ezivuddemu, era okulya, era ogamba kye mwafumbisizza, kye mwatabuddemu kika. Ekika kya Makula kyajja lwakuba success ya channel Makula, the success I've just told you about, led us to believe if we can make that channel even better, then we might have even a better version of Makula, which is already successful. So we are launching a channel that we believe is adding more to an already successful channel. Spice Diana Edolinya muyimbi mwebuuza kati Startimes ne Spice bakwataganirawa. Startimes, we are in the entertainment business. We are in the entertainment industry. Our business is TV content. We produce content, we show content. That's where we make our money. That's our day-to-day business. Spice Diana is a musician, one of the top musicians in this country. In fact, as far as I'm concerned, the musicians in her age bracket, in her era, she has to be the number one. It's the only reason we went for her, because Startimes is the number one pay TV in the country. We are the leading pay television in the country. We command a market share of at least 60%. That's big, that's huge. What we needed is the leading entertainer who, as far as music is concerned, to make this thing work. Two of the best coming together to launch what we think is going to be a fantastic channel. Spice kitegeeza kirungo. Those of you who have been following, in the last week, you must have seen some things going on. You must have seen Spice posting some things, introducing a challenge. Today we're moving about. You saw on the roundabouts, you saw something to do with Spice in terms of her picture, but also ekirungo kyekyo. So now start to understand the link. On the marketing side, we believed, how great would it be if Spice nyini kirungo lyerinya nyini kirungo yegatta ku ffe naye ate ffe n'abeera ambasada waffe n'atambuza omumuli gwa channel gye bayita Makula Kika. How about that combination?
Amazing.
She's beautiful, she's a sellout, she appeals to everyone, she's funky, she's vibrant, she loves what she does, she appeals to everyone. Spice wagenda mbaana bato mulaba bwe bamuwuganira wonna wabeera, but more than that, Spice kyasinga ba artists abamu abakyala. Spice buli wamu ajaawo akubawo ate abeerawo. Spice tayawula. Kyekirwaki ayagalibwa abantu ab'enjawulo. Omwana omuto ng'ono kuba nziri musajja mukulu bw'abanga yategeera nnyo industry ne business n'akimanya nti bwe mbanga ndi mu industry eno abantu bonna n'ebifo byonna nina obibeeramu n'embijyamu, omwana aba amanyi kyaliko. Y'ensonga lwaki twasalawo nti buno bwe muli obusinga ogenda okutambuza ekintu kyaffe ekya Makula Kika. So today we are going to witness the official launch of Spice Diana as the official Startimes ambassador for our channel Makula Kika. We are going to sign a contract which you are going to witness. Henceforth, when you see Spice Diana, for you who is here, and please go and project that message. When you see Spice, think of Makula Kika, because Spice is what it's about. This channel has more than what has been found in Makula. So that is the reason we are here. We think it's a big deal, and I thank all of you who have made it. You are so many. That's the issue. Spice is big, and we are big. So we deserve this. We deserve this attention and coverage. So thank you very much for coming. And please, after today, go and tell people that this whole Makula Kika thing is about Spice Diana. And later, I'm sure, she's also going to give us a snippet into that beautiful song that she has come up with to praise Makula Kika. So thank you very much. Now I have to go ahead and hand over the microphone to my colleague Kenneth, who is going to take us through this channel. So what exactly is Makula Kika? What's in it? And why should Ugandans be excited? Thank you very much. Kenneth.
Muchabuusabuusa sini agambye yasinga ekirungo kyekyo. Ken, our next speaker is Mr. Kenneth Kazoba. He's Director Content and Partnerships in Startimes. So please, Ken, tubulire ekirungo kyekyo kyali kuki tubulire bigenda maaso.
The idea of this channel started as early as last year, because when we launched Kazanyo, because they are both Makula. One is Makula Kazanyo and another one is Makula Chika. Now, when we launched Kazanyo, it peaked in the first 3 months and went in the top 3. We launched it in June, and by October we were celebrating success. So we knew through 2 sources that we needed to add another channel. One of the sources was feedback from the public. Very strongly, there was a huge feedback telling us what they were missing. Although this channel is good, but can you please do this? The temptation was something had been identified by the subscribers and viewers. And so, what are these gaps? Remember, Kazanyo is what it is, series after series. We don't have news, we don't have music, we don't have any other thing, we just have series after series. And so there were gaps of people asking for, why don't you also give us movies? And there were genuine demands. There were gaps of people saying, why don't you also give us some comedy, some local comedy? And that is a genuine demand. There are also people who are saying, but we want some entertainment news, what most of you call gambo or gossip. But it's entertainment news. So there were these demands, and of course more drama, that we needed to address them urgently. And so that's when we started thinking of another channel. And so this channel has come in, address exactly those gaps. On this channel we shall have local comedy. On this channel we shall have movies, African movies. And many of you also want to call it Nigeria. We also have entertainment news and many others, but those will be the lead. And so this channel was designed to address a female skilled audience, which is predominant, the audience is predominantly female, but a lot of large presence for male. In other words, approximately 60-40. But we also think that it is addressing a down-to-earth, low urban viewer. Because these people are the ones who actually demanded for it. Can we have this? Can we have that? We also, you'll find that this channel is going to be Uganda. We shall use Uganda as a language. So, this is the channel that we have designed for you. It is a mix. It's not one thing that the other channel was. This is a mix of different things, and that therefore defines further what my colleague Senior was saying. It's a mix of different spices, and therefore we came up with a combination of that set of ingredients that will also be a winning audience. But I also want to confirm that this channel can be found on channel 229 for those who are using the antenna system. It can also be found on channel 493 for those who are using the dish or the satellite system. And so they are going to switch on that channel for us later so that we can have a taste of it. But I want to kind of reiterate what my senior colleague was saying. The choice of spice was not at all by accident. If you associate with her, you'll understand that one of the strongest ingredients that she has is popular humility. Popular humility. Now, I don't know how they call that in Uganda. You are popular, but you are very humble, down-to-earth person. When you deal with her, you even forget that you're dealing with a star. And yet she's a very popular person. Sometimes you're like, hey, okay, I'm dealing with spice. You just have to remind yourself later. Because when she's handling her issues, she's very different from many of the people that we're used to in our country here.
Are you professor? No.
So I want to take this opportunity to really thank Spice Diana for being what you are as a character, for being a hardworking woman. She's very hardworking, by the way. And she's a natural. When you're working with her, she's a natural. You don't have to work so hard to get her to do what you want her to come up with. But most importantly, for accepting to work with Startimes. Thank you very much.
Before we go to the next session, because we have some stars you are going to be seeing on this channel. And we have a few of them around, because you need to understand, Spice is not just joining anything. No. She's in the company of superstars. That's what she is. So let me ask a few of our recognized Mutoro when you see Miss Uganda. For those of you who really were a part of the journey, she was one of the outstanding Miss Ugandas. And then, of course, look at her. Anne Shirabo, the star that you've seen all over movies and all. Now, these represent just some of the key players you are going to be seeing in our shows and in these programs that you will be seeing. So where you are, it's a team of stars, it's in the company of stars. This is what Makula Chika is about. Thank you very much, Motoro, Chirabo, and obviously our Miss Uganda for introducing the star of the moment, the owner of this ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, Spice, our new brand ambassador. The stage is yours.
Thank you so much. You're most welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Spice Diana Birungo. Ekilungo checho. Chika chika tudamu chika chika. Ekilungo checho. Chika chika. Ekilungo checho. Chika chika. I'm very happy to be here today. Atena Sirinzeka. I want to thank all the media personalities. TVs and bloggers, YouTubers, everyone that has made it here. Thank you so much. Team Spice Diana Boda. Spice together now. My Spice gadgets, thank you so much. So first and foremost, I would like to thank Startimes for, we are very many artists in the country. Na yo Glonda Spice. Atenage when I was very touched because I deal with the audience, I deal with Ugandans, and anything that is Ugandan is my thing. And people that watch all these channels, this is where our music, being part of this as an artist is something really, really amazing. And I'm very happy, looking forward to, the many months that we're going to tumble together with Makula Chika. Ate ebirungo mbirina si bya kunoonya kwegamba it is a jackpot. I will do my best because I love what I do with so much passion. because we bankolagana ne family yange now. Makula Chika is my family, and when I'm dealing with that, I don't do it like just business. It's family and it's part of me. When you see Chika, Makula Chika, just think about Spice Diana. Just like you wear that reflector because Spice Diana, you brand your border as Spice Diana, we wear it as Spice Diana. The same thing to Makula Chika, because now when you see Makula Chika, that's Spice Diana. Eno channel empya egenda bako ebintu bingi abanyumirwa comment if you've seen me acting, because that's my other thing. Before music I thought nja kubeera muzanyi wa movies, and I'm happy that right now sobola kikozesa and it's taking me places to do my content. So you never know, you might see some of my content ku Makula Chika olaba beredde nengali wali yechanga. So you guys have been asking me about Beredene. So you never know, you might see more of Beredene on Makula Chika. Just take a channel 229 over 493. Echito chela chendi very happy about is this is a job opportunity. Kubanga kachani abadde amanyi nti mutoro wanafuna program yakolako ku TV. You know, I'm happy for you and I'm sure banji bagenda kufuna mukisa guneeno kubanga TikTok ezze naye okifunyemu ki tukola content omufunyemu ki. So I'm very happy because we know the TikTokers abakola YouTube content bafunye omukisa nti Makula Chika ezze okubanga ate content waka local content kitegeeza bajjako ere nkya bagambe alani close olaba ota bwe tutuula ne tuwugira content ne tukuwayo ku ssente ne tumulaga ku Makula Chika bane mukikubireko engalo ez'amaanyi. Buli ali eyo nga content creator Phoebe, I'm sure you're here today. Okola bu content obuntubo and you're very talented in that area. This is a very big opportunity. I'm happy that we have this channel. Please support it. Nze wendi nnyo. And then we have an ongoing challenge. And I want you guys to participate. I thank all my fans, the Spice Gadgets that have already participated. We have more than 200 videos plus in just like 2 days. That's quite amazing. Remember, we have so much to win. Twina official video. Ate mumanyi byange, when it comes to video kati sizanya video tujikola ngimalayo. So abawina ba challenge eyo bagenda bira part of a video, bagenda bira official video, and then there is free goodies to win. Twina TV set number nga nene bwet screen bwaguga omuwanguzi agenda vaawo naye zina muzinyi mazina tuka challenge kolimba for Chika, and then you stand a chance to be, you know, with us ku journey, you know. So ebisinga ndoza byogeddwa. I'm just very happy to be here. This is a very big thing for me, Spice Diana, kubanga nkolagana ne Startimes, such a very big banange mu company si ya muzanyo. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm happy that ebinene bikwataganye n'ebinene. So expect ebintu ebyakabi byokka byokka. So thank you so much guys, and buli azze wano leero mukama bawe omukisa. Support the channel ginonyeeko kuva tuva waneeno bulimu mugambe about Makula Chika nti ye channel eriko ebinyuma engambo entertainment. Oyagala omanya ku Spice Diana biki byaliko si biri eri ebyokuvula abantu nedda bino bisengejjemu cause Chika yo eri very professional. Thank you so much. Unless nga nakyendeseeyo, maybe we can have a few questions coming in, but that's all I can say for now. Thank you so much.
This channel, and you guys are going to enjoy. Thank you so much for supporting Spice, and thank you for supporting Startimes. We never disappoint.
That Startimes has over 200 channels, and the addition of channels is not just a ceremony or an occasion. It is about filling in gaps that we feel our subscribers have. And so the gaps that you've identified of the Ugandan music, we have a fully fledged Ugandan music channel called Face TV, and it's only on Startimes. So it would beat our purpose if we again competed with our own channel, which is Face TV. So what we're going to do and promotion on Face TV so that even you Matovu can get to know about it. But it is 100% Ugandan music. We don't air any other music. Thank you.
Drama.
On the side of drama, we have fronted what I've shared with you. Yes, we shall have drama, but that's not our lead content. Our lead content is what I've shared with you: comedy, African movies, and entertainment news. So we have a channel which is fully free.
Spice Gadgets, Rahul. The reason why I joined Makula Chika is because of the Spice Gadgets. Masakire Singer, I want the best for you guys. Jagala mulabe channel entuufu ezirina ebintu ebirungi nga Makula Chika. When I got to know ebintu ebigenda okubeera ku Makula Chika, I was like, I'm in for this. Ebirungo ebirimu ate nga nageze birungo ate nga mbagaliza birungo byereere. So just nga babanyonyodde ebintu ebisinga ebigenda okuba ku channel oba ebiri ku channel eno birimu ku bintu ebya pushing to be part of this, because channel yanjawulo ebirungo bigenda kuba byanjawulo ate it's local content ate nga tuli waka kisinga obukulu. Thank you.
Si bonna abalala abasinga obungi. Spice is an actress. She is talented. Abamu abagolera ku bintu byange mumanyi mulamu buli ntera okubeera analyst owa musicians ne mbatemera ku bayimbi bano, naye nga Spice nti ayimba n'asukuma ku banne, naye bw'omugwako ng'akola mu katemba bukomedi bwe tomanya nti Spice oli. Era nze olwasooka nagamba nayo no Spice y'omu, naye bwe mulaba ng'ali mu acting tomuteeka ate mu byakuyimba. Opportunity Spice gy'agenda okufuna okubeera ambassador wa Startimes, era bino tubigamba n'abayimbi abaana bali mu industry bakimanye lwaki okweyisa obulungi, okutambula obulungi n'okutwala bulungi kiyamba, nti Spice agenda azze ku platform esinga obunene mu Uganda mu bintu bya TV ku mukutu ne content. Spice bwabanga badde namba emu, tumanyi nti namba emu nga bwe nabagambye, kakati ate agenda kuyisaamu emirundi egi. Luli abadde mulimu akola yekka nammwe bagadgeti n'abalala bamutundirako, kakati ate naffe kati tumutundirako ku linnya lye. Kati gwabuuza nti Spice lwaki wasalawo takibagambye, kubanga tubagambye dda nti ye muntu ali hambo, naye kyatabagambye nti bwe muba mubadde mumutegeera kakati mugenda mumutegeera nnyo, kubanga emikutu ffe tugirina. Ye muyimbi tagirina, muyimbi mumunoonya. Kati ffe tulina emikutu egitunda, ffe tulina eddoboozi eritunda, ffe tulina abalabi abasinga mu ggwanga. Spice ojja kuba tekyasobola kumwewala mu makaago, ku ssimu yo, ku social media, kuba kati alina engeri bbiri zakubamu ekintu kye. Yeyo ensonga actually emu ku nnene lwaki Spice yetayiza gamba mbu nedda. Ekyo ndowooza ba Spice abawagize mukitegedde, agenda gejja kati ataasuukire ddala wabadde.
Ate ngejja nammwe sibaleka mabega tugejja ffenna, era bwe mbaga ninaeyo kyali wange ng'ali mu content nzija wano ku Startimes bage bannange anikuluze munyigaawo n'obusente bintu bye birabike, sigenda aleka muntu n'omu. So tugenda gejja ffenna kubanga tulina channel esinga obunene ssaawa zino. Thank you so much.
Waliko awakana mbadde nsaba Mr.
Manyi Uganda abantu balwawo okukkiriza mu bintu balowooza bwe kimu kya muzannyo. Let me tell you, it all starts with us. Mwe bennyini abali wano kakubuulira okola conference ng'eno no-inviting abamedia ne batajja, naye kati mwe muzze. One reason why I get all these endorsements is because of you abamedia, era musooke mwekubire mu ngalo mbabuulire. Siina company gye nkoze nayo and you guys have not been part of this. You're always there. Mufuna content yono ne mutwala that noise ne mugamba nti Spice kyeyekola eri Startimes eno Makula Chika. So when you do that for me, the next time ne company ndaloba omuntu yenna yandagadde okukola ne Spice amanya nti tulina enkolagana weewaawo ekola ki ennungi, because it's not even about the money but the relationship we have.
Spice kasitaafuuka brand ambassador wa Makula Chika, meaning owa Startimes, kitegeeza nti business yonna erimu space ya TV, fe tuli mu PTV, mu space ya TV, PTV, abatasobola gikolera mulimu gwe gumu, mulimu ki ogwa ambassador oba ogurepresentinga brand ezo mu ngeri yonna, ambassadorial role. Kyetusooka okumanyira tetumanyi ekyamutwagaza. She's an entertainer, she's a musician. That's what she does for a living. Content wa Spice tayinza kwewalibwa media space yonna, because that's what she does. So okubeera ambassador wa Startimes tekimugana kuyimba music we kutambula nga wadde atambula, kola interviews kwoyo yenna agala omukolako interview. She is Spice Diana. Interviews ne bamukyaza n'akola ebyo mu mirimu gye, because gwe mulimu gwe tekikwatagana konna mulimu gwa ambassador. Obwa ambassador kitegeeza nti tayinza mu butongole kukiikirira, represent, to stand in as though she is representing another brand in a capacity of brand promotion, for instance. Obantegerekeka. So bw'omulaba nga waliwo news item, entertainment news, Spice ayogera ku bintu ebya bulijjo, togamba ate ambassador wa Startimes akola ki ku Sanyuka oba akola ki ku NTV. Kyewandibadde ogamba mbu tosuddwa mulaba, for instance, ku billboard, ku poster, mu kalango akakoleddwa kampuni eri mu bizinesi yemu gye tukola. Bizinesi yaffe ki? PTV. Abali mu PTV mbamanyi. Kakati gwe bateeke wansi bawandika bali mu PTV. Betukontana nabo mu bizinesi eno ey'okusasulira. Abala free to air by its nature, era mawulire ga Spice gwe gatambulira era galina okutambula. Ndowooza nkize bulungi. So kyeraliikirira Spice asigala ng'ali independent, asigala ng'akola emirimu gye, era mujja mubanga bibadde mulaba. Kyemugenda kyokka okulaba nti ate ku Startimes ajja kusukka nnyo, wakati naye ajja kikola nga kimuli mulimu nnyini bwalina okutukola ki okututunda nga ambassador waffe. Kaso ekitegerekesa.
Akajembere kakuseebako kinkuma. Ekirungo kyekyo